Oftentimes your car gets extremely dirty to the point where you can't just use your standard car soap that you grab off of the shelf at AutoZone. You need something with a little bit more oomph to really cut through the extreme dirt or mud or some of that salt residue that you get when driving in extreme weather locations. Adams Polish's Salt, Mud, and Grime Remover is the perfect soap to supplement for your standard car soap to really cut through the nastiness of when your car gets extremely dirty. With the extra cleaning power, it's really gonna lift the mud or the dirt away from the car, but also if you live in an area where they put salt on the roads when there's snow or other weather conditions, this is gonna break down that salt, giving you a deeper clean on your car. Now, this is a product that you're not gonna use every single time. I would say in times when your car is extremely dirty, grab this off the shelf and use it instead of your regular car soap, and you're really gonna cut through all that stuff. So look, if you're the type of person that takes your car out on the trails, you go mudding, you have an off-road vehicle, and your car gets crazy dirty, this is the perfect product for you. Now, the way that you use this product is just like you wash your car, but if you have either a foam cannon that you use with a pressure washer that produces very thick foam, or you have a standard garden hose and you use a foam gun, you're gonna wanna foam this onto the car before you rinse it. You really want the Salt, Mud, and Grime Remover to break down the nasty contents that are stuck to your vehicle. Once you do that, you're kind of using it as a pre-rinse, then rinse your car off, re-foam it again with Salt, Mud, and Grime Remover, put some in your bucket. I would give it 3 ounces into your bucket, agitate the suds within your bucket, and then go ahead and wash your car as normal. Rinse it off, dry it, and your car is gonna be much cleaner with a little bit more heavy duty car soap when you have extra mud, extra dirt, or that salt content that's on your car. Now, whether you live in harsh weather conditions like where it rains a lot, or it snows a lot and you have a lot of mud on the road, or you have a lot of salt on the roads from those snowy climates, Salt, Mud, and Grime Remover is the perfect product for you. And if you're looking for it, grab it at your local AutoZone retailer or grab it online at AutoZone.com.